Once on the Search Absences page, you are able to enter the following information to find absence information on an employee. Enter a start and end date by clicking on the calendar and choosing a day or a day range. You can then select if the absence is FMLA or a 3-for-1. You can also search absence types by clicking in the value box and searching for the type and selecting a number of types. To select an employee, you click on the value box and you are able to search by employee name, PSU ID, position number, and position name. When you select the employee, the value box will become populated. You can then select search and a list of absences matching the criteria will be displayed. That is how you search for absences for a specific employee.